Okay, so today I'm going to be having a first look at my Muc-Off bike specific pressure washer. As a birthday present I haven't yet used. Haven't opened that box yet. Came with the bike cleaner, motorcycle cleaner, not entirely sure what's the difference. We'll have a motorcycle protector and their own brand WD-40. So Binky here, I've been doing some woodwork in the garage, so Binky is a little bit covered in sawdust. Even the new crash bar is covered in bloody sawdust, which should wash off easily, but you know, she needs going over anyway. So let's have a look. First off, we're going to open the box and see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Let's open this up and see what it contains, and then find out how to use it. Oh, first off, microfiber cloth, which are wonderful for cleaning stuff, but I hate touching. Basically nails on a chalkboard to me. 2 microfiber cloths. Oh, a Muc-Off hat. I like hats. Oh, it's a mesh one as well. Perfect for the summer. Keep your head cool. Nice Muc-Off. Yay! I'll keep that with the bike, I think. And now stuff. Owner's manual. So have a quick look through that. Pictures. It contains pictures. Safety tips, symbols, what to do. Parts. Okay. That looks clear enough. Don't modify it. Don't use it if it's broken. Bung that on there, bung that on there. Turn it on. Okay, should be alright. And now all the bits. Ooh, expanding microcell sponge. All the expanding microcell sponges. Many expanding microcell sponges. What's that? That's my order. So many pipes and clips. So many pipes and clips. Many pipes and clips. Many pipes and clips. Here we have the actual machine. A nice subtle colour. Basically I was using my dad's Karcher and he got fed up with me nicking it. So we got more of these for my birthday, which is nice. And a lovely subtle box. And one of them. No idea what that is. Answers on a postcard. Oh, it's a stand, I assume. It's already covered in stuff. Right, put it together. Ooh, very nice storage bag. Yeah, I like that. Nice and waterproof. Lots of different pockets for the attachments. Or could be used as a watertight bag on the bike. Sweet. Smells like swimming kit. Takes me straight back to going swimming at school. Okay. Then what's it? Dewberry handle, which will slot on now. Rear of handle, which should slot on. I have to read the instructions, don't I? I don't want to read these. I don't like reading instructions. Fine, I'll read the instructions. I haven't got all the bits out of the box. I feel like a prat. bang that in there and twist. Okay, and then our bits should just fit. Yeah, they'll fit in the end nicely. Okay. Okay, that's step one. Screw to body. Don't remember seeing screws. I just don't know. I just don't empty boxes properly. So screws, plastic bits. Okay, 3 screws. So I assume we use these ones. They'll go in there. Secure the cable clip, cable holder to the body. Where do we do that, human? Okay, that's that in. Seems very badly because ow, I cannot grip. Okay, just need to be bunged down further. Okay, we'll do next. Attach the hose to the pressure washer outlet. One hose. Got any hose? No hose. And some 4 candles. Okay. Locks in and then goes out. Okay. Attach the hose to the gun. No hose. Number hose. For those of you who don't know why I'm doing a weird voice, put 4 candles into YouTube and see what comes up. 4 candles. Okay, that's all connected. Crunch bang. Hose connected to the pressure washer, done that. Connect the garden hose to the water spout. Okay. Hook up the hose. Okay, we're having a bit of an issue. I'm all soggy. So I turned it on, nothing happened. And then, yeah, unpopped the hose and it's just squirting water. So the water's getting through. For some reason it's not actually... Oh, now it is turning on. Bloody hell, hang on. Turn the water off. Let's try again. See, that happens. Fuck all goes... No. Oh, there we go. That was me fucking it up. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, they look clean enough. Let's try getting the bike wet. That's the sawdust off. Let's try the Foaminator, the Snow Lance. Oh, that's not good. That snaps straight off as soon as I try and use it. Oh. Fuck. Okay, so the Snow Lance isn't going to work because it snapped. The dials just snapped straight off my hand. Fuck's sake. Poor show there, Muc-Off, poor show. I'll be getting in contact with you about that one. So going with the old method of just giving it a spray. It's basically the same thing as the foam dance, but by hand. Here's that indicator that refused to glue back on. I haven't put the new one because I just haven't been bothered yet. Give that a couple of minutes to sink in and then we'll hose it off. Okay, so what do we reckon? As a box standard pressure washer, not bad. I mean, I need to go around it. It's done a good light wash. It's taken the sawdust off and taken a lot of the road grime off, but I need to sit down, I know, with a proper scrubber and get at some of the marks, like that one. That shit there from where I came off. Can't seem to scrub that off, so I need to sit down with something more abrasive. That one there. So yeah, I mean, it's got most of the crap off, which I think is all it's supposed to do. You know, it's not supposed to be a miracle. You do still have to sit down and scrub your bike, which I will be doing. So yeah, I like it. It was fairly easy to set up and it was easy to use. There we go, the Muc-Off bike specific pressure washer. My only bugger is, and what's really pissed me off, is the snow lance, because I got the pack. The snow lance, you go to adjust it and it's just come straight off in my hand, which, see that, it's just sheared off, which I'm proper fucking pissy about, because quality control, Muc-Off, quality control. So I'm going to get on the phone to them and see what excuse they have. Yeah, at the moment, I'd give it an 8, to be honest. It does the job, nice and compact, looks alright, just broke. So yes, thanks for watching. I'll be back next week, hopefully with mental health based stuff, which is what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm having trouble myself at the moment, so I'm just not up to making long thought about videos. Yeah, so back next week. Hit the like button, the subscribe, the bell. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.